it upside down?
Really?
What happened?
No, we never put it in the
That's why I realized because I was trying to push it in because I saw how it was pushing away. Yeah, this is my husband D.
Tired, babe?
I'm very tired, guys. I came in this morning from work. It's actually 10:40 where we're at, 10:40 p.m. So though we want to unbox all these goodies, we're gonna have to leave some of them. Well, we're doing the chair tomorrow, and babe, the refrigerator is open. We're doing the chair tomorrow, and the rest we'll do another day. So we'll be going live quite often. I don't know about this weekend because I have some personal stuff to do. I'll be out of town and stuff. So yeah, depending on how the storm goes, because if the storm is coming to South Carolina, I don't know if I'll be able to do what we have planned, but nonetheless, I'm here. Dominic, I guess you can pray for those who are actually on the live chat here, saying that their roof was just blown off. You can pray for those who are currently being affected by Milton. That's what you could do instead of asking people to repent. Pray for them, get them into the atmosphere, because first of all, we meet their needs first, right? So that's what we're doing. So if you want to pray for them, by all means, go ahead. Okay? McKenna, you're from Maine? I don't understand your question. I don't live near the hurricane, if that's what you're asking. No, I'm in South Carolina. Yeah, which one of the water is better?
The room temperature.
The other room, the open one?
Yeah.
Babe, this is way better.
Yeah. That's a 90, babe.
Awesome, you had the good water.
Set off.
Yes, McKenna. Don't live near the hurricane. I'm just trying to encourage and be here for those who are being affected while I do this unboxing. Yeah. So that's what's happening. I feel bad too. We have some people here in the chat. Well, they were on early. I don't know if they're still on because they're currently in the hurricane where they're at. Their roof was blown off, etc. So I'm here trying to give support. Please feel free to pray for these people. Keep them in your prayers constantly, because this hurricane is a Category 5 hurricane. It is not one to play with. It is not one to laugh about, because people are going through a tough time right now. But I'm encouraging people who are actually there to evacuate them. Don't play with your lives. Welcome, Janelle. Brazil. Yay, go Brazil. Oh, you got a friend that got hit hard? I'm so sorry to hear that. Yeah. I don't know. Florida is always getting it, man. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah. You're just right there, which is sad. I'm praying that the Lord just keep them.
Babe, you're so tired right now.
Yeah. I'm very tired. Trust me.
Dave is tired, so we're going to weekend in the life soon.
Wait, you have one more chair to go? No, this is the last one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna go live again.
For the other chair.
Oh, it's 10:45 p.m.
Yeah, what do you mean?
I'm gonna go live again tomorrow to do the rest. Yeah. So tomorrow I'll go live again.